Hi, welcome to More Life Natural Wellness. My name is Kendra Moore. Did you know that in your pantry you have a lot of spices that can actually help improve your health? Well, today I am going to show you my top 4 spices that I love to use and their health benefits. Now, I am not a huge fan of like really hot, spicy foods, but I enjoy a kick every once in a while. So, black pepper is one of my favorite spices. I actually, believe it or not, sometimes will actually grind it into my coffee when I'm making like fresh coffee, and of course to season a lot of foods. Black pepper is great because it's high in antioxidants and is actually an anti-inflammatory. So great if you have inflammation to season your food with black pepper. Another one of my top spices is rosemary. I love rosemary, especially to season chicken and fish, all types of dishes, stuffing, for example. Now, rosemary actually has been scientifically proven to help boost your cognitive memory. So if you have problems retaining things, or you have a class or something and you want to boost those memory cells, use some rosemary on your food. So those are a couple of the savory type of spices. Now, more of a sweeter spice that I love using a lot is cinnamon. I love cinnamon on French toast, on pancakes. I love sprinkling it in my coffee. Cinnamon actually is great, especially if you have type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon has been shown to lower blood sugar levels, and it's also great to help lower your blood pressure as well. And now for my favorite spice. Now, some people love it, some people hate it. I love it, and that is garlic. So garlic is really good for you. Garlic has a lot of nutrients. This is crushed garlic, but if you buy the garlic cloves, even in one clove, there are a lot of nutrients in that clove. And then garlic as well is great to help boost your immune system, and actually has been scientifically proven to shorten the duration of colds and of people having the flu. So I highly encourage using garlic in your cooking as well. So I only touched on a few of my favorite spices, but the point is that get into your pantry, start using those spices, go to a spice shop, start experimenting with different spices, look up their health benefits, because not only will you be giving your family some really flavorful food, but you'll also help to boost their health as well.